Welcome. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic in geometry called indirect proof, specifically focusing on a method known as proof by contradiction. So, what exactly is a proof by contradiction? It is a clever strategy we can use in math. We begin by assuming that the very statement we want to prove is actually false. From there, our mission is to follow the logical steps until we run into something that is completely impossible, a contradiction. There are three main steps to this process. First, you assume the opposite of your goal. Second, you build a logical argument based on that assumption, step by step, until you uncover a contradiction. Finally, once you find that contradiction, you can confidently conclude that your initial assumption was wrong, which means the original statement must be true. Let's walk through an example to see this in action. We want to prove a classic geometry theorem. If a transversal line cuts across two other lines and the alternate interior angles are equal, then those two lines must be parallel. In the diagram, we are given that angle A is congruent to angle B. Now we apply the first step of our strategy. The original statement says the lines are parallel, so we will assume the exact opposite. We'll proceed with the idea that line M and line N are not parallel. If two lines in a plane are not parallel, they have to intersect at some point. Following our assumption, if line M and line N intersect, they form a triangle with the transversal line. You can see this new triangle on the screen. With vertices we can call A, B, and P the angles A and B from our original setup are now inside this triangle. Here is where the problem appears. A solid rule in geometry is that the sum of the angles in any triangle must equal 180 degrees. But there's another rule, the exterior angle theorem. It says an exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the two opposite interior angles. In our case, angle A is an exterior angle, and it's opposite to angle B, and the angle at point P we were given that angle A equals angle B. For the exterior angle theorem to hold true, the angle at P must be 0 degrees, which is impossible. A triangle cannot have an angle of 0 degrees. Our assumption has led us to an absurd conclusion. The idea that the lines are not parallel forced us into a situation that breaks the fundamental rules of geometry. Therefore, our assumption must be false. This allows us to conclude that the original statement is true. The lines are, in fact, parallel. Let's recap the logic. You start with a statement you want to prove is true. You then assume it's false. This assumption leads you down a path to a logical absurdity. Because the result is absurd, the assumption must have been wrong, which validates the original statement. And that is proof by contradiction. It's a powerful and elegant way to prove statements in mathematics. The key is to assume the opposite of what you want to prove, and then show that this assumption leads to a contradiction. With practice, you'll be able to spot opportunities to use this method to solve complex problems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.